Do you know what does looping means? Simple. Do that and do that again. So if I said 1 plus 1, it will equal to 2. If I said plus 1 again, 3 plus 1 equal to 4, plus 1 equals to 5. Okay, so how do you do like that in some programming language? I'm using this. Yeah, you might don't know because on later day I will publish this. So how do you use loop function or loop method? It's easy. This is a loop command, and this is how much does you want to looping. So if I say it like this, then I will print 12 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so that's the definition of loop. But what does loop mean? What does loop do? Well, looping is important in programming language. Why? Because without loop, you can create something that iterates. So looping is needed in some situation, like if you want to iteration on some data, like this. A, B, C, D. So I have a list of character A, B, C, D. So how do I iterate this? Like this. This is how you iterate A, B, C, D. So if I said put char current, it will say A, B, C, D. Just ignore the one because this is the length of every current. Yes, but how do you create like a number? Hello world and 0, and I mean nothing, and hello negative. Okay, so car is hello world and hello negative. So if I iterate over the car, it means that this will print out the current situation like this. Thank you guys for watching. I hope I see you someday. Goodbye.